accountable. Tell the Queen's Council. Accountable.
Sell we out, where them do it for.
Andrew Walla, don't know see it, sir.
Emancipate yourselves from mental slavery.
None but ourselves shall free our mind. Be that in
All doubt, all disappointment, all iniquity spell that form against our children and our brothers and sisters and our low places. Go before us at this moment, King Emmanuel. Do for us what we can't do for ourselves. Remove all burdens, remove all pain, remove all shackles, remove all chain. Set our brothers and sisters free at this time. Oh, Most High King Selassie, Jah, Rastafari. Give thanks to the rising of the sun and to the
People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Spill the truth and make it burn them like a cup of tea. Not only that, it a go juke them like a Macka tree. Whenever we try, we reach out them to them back at we. And not taxpayers' money make them a live kakati. Yes, my viewers and subscribers is a new thing me I work on, you know. Bless, love and greetings all my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queen. My lion and my lioness, I hope all is blessed. And as usual, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell. Remember, your health is your wealth. Zine. Yeah, do give thanks to the rising and the awakening and the upful, you know what I mean? My viewers and subscribers, blessed Tuesday. You know what I mean? We say give thanks to life once more. Be grateful for what you have. Yeah, man, big up New Links production, you know? Yeah, man. Blessed for the shout out and the recommendation. You see me? Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So just a quick update, because right now we're there, I vlog on the go. I'm on my way to work, so yeah, I don't know, I like to keep you all updated and informed, you know what I mean? Skillibeng and Jada Kingdom, are they dating? Or are they just chilling out? Yeah, man, my viewers and subscribers, yeah. I don't know, big up Skillibeng. Youth are doing thing. I like the song where I'm doing, the song that we do, the culture song, they're mad. You see me? If you listen deeply, what I say, yeah, you see me? Yeah, mad thing. You see me? So big up Skillibeng. Another part, them want to see you depend, brother. You know what I mean? Some message for the youth, because right now you're very influential, you know? And we love that. You see me? We love to see when the youth them rise and everybody rise. You see me, my viewers and subscribers? Yes, and also, you don't know, I'm a Rastaman, a kiss off Macka Diamond foot. Yo! You don't know another routine, you know. Macadocious after the break.
Yeah, yeah, man.
From now on, I'm gonna settle down. No more, I'm gonna let you down. You could have run well, left me, but you stuck around. That's why me decide to stop fuck around, baby. From now on, I'm gonna...
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, that's my single, I'm a change man. May I ask you, please and thanks, please. If you can go check it out, you know. Yeah, man, and stream it or download it or link my feet. Email it to you. It's out now on all platforms. I'm a change man, you know. You know, and every time you go run and one bag of girl and them things, and you know what I mean? The older we get, you have to just wise up and, you see me? You know, we can relate to it, man. You see me? So big up all the man them are try to change them life. You see me? Yes, and the ladies them, when the man them are try to change them life, only for work with them. See me? Yeah, man, only for work with them, man, and give them the benefit of the doubt, and you know what I mean? Yeah, try with them. Give them a second chance. Skillibeng, you know, the studio chilling out, all the vibe, we run and par with them, you know? Yeah, walking, so sometimes the lighting get good, and then early in the morning, you know, when after 5, you know? You see me? Yes, my viewers and subscribers, so what's Skillibeng and Jada Kingdom chill out?
You say, we see no? We are the way of life. So you like to be.
Here what going?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Pick up yourself, man.
Oh, big up your fun, big up your fun, them.
Big up yourself, Jada.
Wanna see her?
Wanna see her?
Heavy.
You want to see Jada there? Heavy.
I love the factory, you know.
You say, we see no.
Nah, lie. Jada Kingdom, Jada Kingdom are nice ass, you know. Yeah, man, she shape good man and look good man. And big up Jada Kingdom, big up Skillibeng. Yeah, some of us assume, are they dating or, you know, them just a chill out as best mates, you know what I mean? Yeah, so I don't know. Next, my viewers and subscribers. Watch out now, Macka Diamond I get her too. Kiss off by a Rastaman. Nah lie. Yo, man, so Macka Diamond worthy to be praised. Like a queen. You know, Macka Diamond are fans them all both and people who idolize her. Just like the male artists them, who have the female them who idolize them. But my viewers and subscribers, watch what I go on.
Mark, what up, man?
What is that? What is that?
Macka Diamond.
Huh?
Wow. Pleasure to meet you.
Hello, Kappa, what now? What's
Kappa
up?
Shanti. Mark, you have to record this, man. This is a special moment. This lady is a queen and she deserves to be treated like a queen.
Yep, you know.
Your Highness.
Stop it, what's this?
Give me a foot.
Wow.
Give me a foot.
Wow.
Give me a pretty foot, eh? Give me a pretty foot.
Oh, what is man? This can't
Take
come
it.
up there and see the log.
Alright, me take it.
What am I do? Where you take off my shoes?
Take off your pretty
My
shoes.
foot cold.
Take off
Oh
your
my
pretty
god.
shoes. Take off your pretty shoes.
Oh!
My Highness.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, you see what I go on, man, what I go on? Yeah, man, I don't big up Macka Diamond. That's just a quick information for y'all to know what I go on. Macka Diamond get her too, kiss off. How do you think about that, my viewers and subscribers? Some of the man, I know if you don't do that. You know what I mean? Nothing wrong with that. Still, as I say, each man to their own, you know? And yeah, I don't know if our partner still, if our husband to be our, but you know the man is a kiss off her too. My viewers and subscribers, I have to go right now. Seeing, love you, stay safe, be good. God bless.
Yeah, yeah, man.
From now on I'm gonna settle down. No more I'm gonna let you down. You could have run well left me but you stuck around. That's why me decide to stop fuck around. Baby, from now on I'm gonna settle down. If you're having suicidal thoughts, try ignore that. There are people out there worse than you. Did you know that? The one I name reasoning. It's good when you and your friend will are reasoning. You can diffuse the feud by reasoning. Start out to no defense by reasoning.
Yeah, man, I eat that. Thanks for watching. Thanks for passing by. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell before you leave. Please and thank you.